If you're looking for a compact, lightweight case to transport and store your DJI Neo Flymore combo, this here could be the right case for you. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, featuring this Father&I carrying case for the DJI Neo. Full transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So this here case here is splash-proof, weatherproof case, guys. It is hard, but it's not a Pelican case. This is not an indestructible case. You cannot drive a car over the top of it, right? So inside, it features a form-fitted pocket for your Neo, and it also has a couple pockets here for a couple extra batteries. So now I do have the Flymore combo. This here does not hold the battery charger. So if you absolutely need to have your battery charger stored with the drone, this is probably not the right case for you. But you can have your charger in your pocket or in another bag or whatever, and this here still holds the drone and the batteries perfectly. On the top here, you got some room for some propellers, some ND filters and stuff like that. No problem. Features a double zipper here, and then they give you a shoulder strap here if you want to carry this here crossbody style. You can do that. Otherwise, it's got a nice nylon handle here that makes carrying it a breeze. So if you guys are looking for a protective case to store your drone and your batteries, say in a backpack while you're moving around hiking or whatever, this here is a great little case, guys. So there you have it. Hope this helps.